hair. We're gonna start with the DIY, the paint. Ganiyah, we're gonna start with the DIY paint. I got two of them. What is this? What is this? 4 by what? 5 by what? 7 by what? I don't know. It's the biggest one. Dollar Tree did us justice. We have a couple of different colors. Let me show you the colors. So we have pink, we have blue, we have red, and we have like a lighter blue. We have this color blue and like this navy blue. And we got some little paint brushes.
Yeah.
Thing.
Big paint brushes.
Yeah. Ganiyah, what are you making? Oh, that is so beautiful.
Nah.
It is. It's beautiful.
No, I need to make it.
Okay, you're not finished? Okay.
I need more paint.
Well, at least we know she's gonna make a mess. But we at the beach. We decided to come to the beach. You don't have to go to the beach to paint. You could do it anywhere you would like. But I'm an artsy, crafty person, and I like to be around nature. So anywhere outdoorsy, that's me. I like to be next to water, next to trees. I feel at peace. She making a mess. Oh, that is beautiful, honey. Look at you. She have my creative streak too. Let's hope she don't get creative on her clothes. Okay, so first you want to start with your dark color, which I had started with. Me and my pocketbook is gonna mess up. Dark color, so navy blue. Then I went to like a baby blue, and then I went to a white, and then I went to a white. It doesn't really matter, like these brushes. Ganiyah, look at her. Oh my child. Well, I'm gonna start basically mixing it in. So mix it in. Just mix it. No, Ganiyah. Ganiyah, no. Stop it. I said you paint yours and I paint mine.
I will try to give you some.
Okay, when I ask for some, then you give me some, okay? But if I don't ask for none, don't give me none, okay? But thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, I like this blue. Oh, I like this blue. I like this blue. I feel like there's gonna need to be like a second color.
Yeah, you have to hang it up because the paint's gonna dry. I mean to mix it to blend.
It's like a blue and a hot paint.
Yeah. That was there. And I'm gonna add me to be all blue. I had to cover it so that you see I paint.
Oh, that is beautiful.
And not done.
Okay.
Now we're done.
Oh, it's done? Oh my God, that is so beautiful.
Wait, let me make
Did you put some sand on it? You did?
I covered it.
Oh, that is beautiful. You gonna put some more sand? Oh, Jana. Oh, that is beautiful, baby.
There.
That is beautiful, boo. That is so pretty.
There's no wall here.
I know there's no wall here, but you know we're gonna let it dry, and then after we let it dry, then we're gonna go and put our feet in the water, okay? While it dry, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you let it go. You done painted all over yourself. You got sand everywhere, girl. How you feeling?
Good.
You feel good? Okay. And what you gonna name your artwork?
Twinkle bells.
Tinkerbells? Okay. Yes, it looks just like the colors all over the cover. All over the cover. Child.
Do you want me to put
This
some-
is beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't need you to put no more sand. It's okay. It's okay. No, not on my...